Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to show you how to create a purchase order. Let's say you want to create a purchase order. In order to do that, follow the following steps. Go to the menu. In that, you will find procurement or purchase module. Under that, you will find purchase order. Click on this and then system will open all the transactions of earlier created purchase orders. Then now to create a new purchase order, click on create new. So once you click on create new, system will open a purchase order form where you can fill all the required information. Now select the supplier. Let's say I'm selecting a test supplier. You can select any. It can be a foreign purchase or it can be a local purchase. Depending on that, you can select your respective vendor. I'm just selecting local or some trading company, XYZ trading company. Then I've selected the PO date. If you want to enter the project information, you can enter. If you want to select the cost center, even you can do that. Select the respective payment method and payment type. Then this is the delivery details where you expect your PO to be delivered. And then from here, you can add the items if you know the items. Let's say I'm going to add fish. I know the items. I'm going to add the fish. Or even you can use this quick add items. And then if you want to add any asset, or if you want to add any service that you want to purchase from your vendor, you can do that. Let's say you want to add some inventory item, you can even do that. Let's say I'm doing this inventory item. Click add. Now I've added 3 items. And now let's say I want to remove this asset. I don't want to purchase it. You can use this, just click on asset and then use this delete icon. Then this item will be removed. Now I want to purchase only 2 items. You can edit your description as you like, as required. Just select it, just write HAL fish, click update and anything unit store. And then you can select what is your in-hand location quantity, which is showing as for your company. If you want to purchase, let's say more 8 pieces and here more 45 pieces. System is showing you this unit price of it. You can modify based on the need. Let's say this 50 real and this one is around 1300. And this is the total price. If you want to add discount, you can add the discount in real and direct amount, or even you can enter the discount as percentage also. Let's say I'm entering a 15%, here I'm entering 20% as required. Now the tax group. By default, VAT will be taken based on that VAT assigned to the vendor. If there is no VAT assigned to the vendor, then it will come as any, and you can select from the respective tax group available to you. So once the tax is selected, subtotal is shown and the tax and the total. Now there's a chance that in this PO, you have an item with the tax exclusive and this item is with VAT inclusive. You can even do that respective, select VAT inclusive for this item level. So now you can see system has divided the tax into exclusive and inclusive amount, and here the subtotal is shown and the total tax amount and the total after VAT. If any credit period and terms and conditions needs to be entered, you can enter here your payment terms, 50 days, or credit period required 45 days. If you want to add any new payment terms, you can add using this plus icon. Similar is for the credit period. If you want to add any credit period, just click on the plus icon, and then you will be able to add, provided you have the access to these modules. If you want to drop a file for the PO copy, you can even drop this file. Just click on this. It will open a section where you can select the file from. And then just click on add. That's it. Your PO is created now. Click on view. If there is a workflow, it will trigger a workflow and respective users can approve the PO. And now, in order to trace the PO, how to trace a PO? You can trace the PO in a following way. Let's say you want to trace that which PO is delivered and which is not delivered. I mean to say received. So you can see this PO. We have here different statuses. So you can see which PO is approved or not. You can even select approved, rejected, or anything. Let's say I want to filter only for approved ones, or I want to see the POs which are not approved. I will just select here and I will see the POs which are not approved. There is none. I will see that which POs are approved. I can just click here, approved POs. and which are not yet delivered or not received or received partially. I want to see how many not received and partial. I can multiple checking. Select criteria. These are all the POs, and I can just contact these vendors when they can deliver as per the terms and conditions. And similarly, I can even filter for invoice, which are in received or not received based on that situation. So even you can see this PO is open. So this is a way you can create your PO and track it. This is a SAG view of the PO, the entire purchase order, how many purchase order there, how many PO are not approved, and pending POs, and then the POs which are not invoiced. Thank you.